Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can add another demo account in Exness. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your Exness account, then go to my account, and we have here real demo and archive. So make sure you are clicking on demo here. And as you can see, I have this demo account. If you want to open another one, go to open new account. Click on it and you can choose one of these types of accounts. So for me, I will go with standard recommended. Click on continue and make sure you click in on demo here. So I have here the leverage. So I will keep it like that. Here you have the balance. You want $500, $1,000, any number you want. And we have here the currency. You can also change it. We have here the account nickname. You can change it. For example, my demo account. Okay. And here you have to enter your password. Okay, so for me, I will choose that one. Then click on create an account. And now let's wait for a moment. As you can see, we have here account pending. We are preparing your account. Okay, as you can see here, we have demo, my demo account, $500. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.